So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create this neon reflection effect, glowing buttons. Let's get into it. Just create an empty folder and open it up in VS Code. Create an index.html and style.css. And let's also link that style sheet. And also we're gonna need this extension called live server to be able to right click and open with live server to open this on the web server. So let's start by creating the wrapper, and we're gonna create an anchor tag with a couple of spans in it. This is not a usual way to create a button, obviously, but I will be explaining why we are doing that. Let's create like 5 of them. So we have the spans inside this anchor tags because we're gonna use them to create that reflection, that glowing effect, basically. And for the HTML, that's it. Let's style it. And of course, we're gonna start by giving it a padding 0, margin 0, box sizing border box, font. We don't actually need a font, but let's give it poppins anyway. And text decoration none. And let's start by styling that wrapper, display flex, justify content center, align items center, and minimum height is going to be 100 VH. And let's also give the background color black. Let's style the anchor tag also. Let's say position relative, display inline block, padding 25 30 pixels, and let's make that uppercase, letter spacing 4 pixel, and color, let me check the color. I have the color in here. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. And font size, let's make it a bit bigger. Font weight bold, and we're gonna give it a transition, an overflow hidden, and also let's create some space between them, 70 pixels. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of butts on the screen, so let me make this a bit smaller because it's annoying. And let's keep going. Let's create that hover effect. Background color, we're gonna give that same color. And also I have another color. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. And the box shadow. Now this is going to look really weird. We're gonna give this color, and then under there we're gonna give it again, but 25 pixels. So what we are doing is we're basically creating that reflection, that glowing effect, by giving it a couple of box shadows. Let's also 200 pixels, the same color, and we're gonna say WebKit box reflect below 1 pixel linear gradient, and we're gonna say transparent, and let's make this black. Okay, so already that glowing works, but the reflection, let me see. Oh, this is going to be gradient. Okay, there you go. The reflection is also there. And also, let's change the colors. Let's say first child, filter. We're gonna use hue rotate to change those colors. So let's say 225 degrees. And last child, same thing, hue rotate, let's say 175 degrees. That's nice. Let's change those two. Let's say A, I think that's the third one. And filter hue rotate 80 degrees. Let's copy paste that. And fourth is going to be, let's say, 300. And I think that's it. Let's give it a bit of a border radius as well. And there you go. This is how you create a neon effect. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.